Ladies and gentlemen, I hereby declare that this congregation of Sedibeng Technical Vocational Education and Training College is duly constituted for the National Certificates Report 191 certificates and diplomas to be conferred to those students whose names appear on the program.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Randy, and I have the privilege of leading a congregation called United Church in Vanderbijlpark. And this morning it is such a privilege to be with you and to do the opening for your graduation ceremony. Congratulations for those of you who have made it to the end, for those joining us both from staff, those joining on behalf of the graduates. It is such a prestigious event, and it is so amazing to see that you've made it to this point. Congratulations and well done. I'm just going to take a few minutes, not too long, and I want to leave you with just a short encouragement before we open in prayer. And part of my job is to work with people. As you can imagine, being a pastor, I have the privilege of journeying with people, of leading people. And the beautiful part about that is I get to see people's highs and I get to see people's lows. I get to help people navigate their journeys and their lives, and I get to walk alongside them through some of the hardest times of their lives, but also some of the greatest times of their lives. And I've built some very meaningful relationships in my time of leading a church, and I've been observing many people. That's part of my job, is I just observe where people are at and I learn from them. And what I've done over the past 2 years, or rather, couple of months, since March of 2020, I've been observing how people have responded to the season that we are in. And I've learned so much from my observations of how people have navigated this season. And there are 3 thoughts that I've observed that I really believe will be helpful to you this morning, regardless of what demographic you find yourself in or where you find yourself in. And that is this: the first thing I've learned from people, which I believe is an encouragement if you tap into it, is the thought of being consistently resilient. What I've learned from the people who I have the privilege of journeying with is how consistently resilient they've been. The definition of resilient is being able to withstand or recover quickly from a difficult situation. And some of you seated here have been exactly that. You have been resilient. Despite the circumstances, despite the challenges, despite whatever setbacks you have faced, you have remained resilient. And so well done to you. I think that is a quality that will take many people further than they realize, to simply being resilient. And so my encouragement to you is to have this tenacious resilience that will surpass every season of life you find yourself in. From your tertiary education into your working career, into building a family, or whatever that looks like, to be tenaciously resilient. The second thing I've observed from the people who inspire me in my congregation is to always remain focused. The people who I observed who have navigated this journey with ease, despite the difficulty, is the fact that they have remained focused. One of the biblical texts encourages us like this in Philippians 3. It says, "No, brothers and sisters, I have not achieved the prize, but I focus on one thing, forgetting the past and looking forward to what lies ahead. I press on to reach the end of the race and receive the heavenly prize through Jesus Christ, for which He is calling us." And what I love about that is the author of this particular text is encouraging us to forget what is behind and focus on what's ahead. And from observing people, what I realize is this, is that many people get caught up in the thick of their circumstances and they lose focus of what lies ahead. And for some of you today who are graduating, you've remained focused. You've kept your eye on the prize. You've kept your eye on the finish line, and that is what got you through. And I think it's an encouragement to all of us not to get distracted. It's so easy to get distracted by what's around you. But the people who genuinely make it through are the people who keep their eyes focused on when they are going, on where they are going. And the third thing I observe from the people around me is to consistently find a way to win. That speaks about being innovative. I've observed that many people know how to adjust with the times and find innovative ways to get to where they want to be and not face a setback and be so crumpled by it that it renders them inactive. To find a way to win is to be resourceful. It is to be resilient. It is to be innovative. It is to know how to pivot in your circumstance so that you can keep going. Some of the greatest business minds who we look up to are people who have found a way to win despite their setbacks. You might know many names that you look up to as well. If you study those people's journeys, you will realize it is consistently finding a way to win despite their setbacks. And so, this morning my encouragement to you is beyond this ceremony and beyond this season in your life. Be resilient, remain focused, and consistently find a way to win. Let me pray for you as I wrap up this morning. God, this morning we thank you for the privilege of being able to celebrate something that many people have taken for granted and that the COVID season has robbed us of, the ability to celebrate with others. May we savor these moments. May we relish in them, and may we realize despite the negative narrative that we always face, there are moments of celebration that we can cling on to, and this is one of them. And so may you instill a sense of joy with those here present. May you help us look forward to what lies ahead. Help us forget the past, not focusing so much on it. Give us a resilience of spirit that causes us to bounce back from every circumstance we face. Give us the resource and the mentality needed to find a way to win despite our setbacks, so that we can further our lives and bring you glory in all things. We pray this in your name. Amen. Thank you for having me. I appreciate it. Have a phenomenal ceremony further.
Thank you very much, Pastor Randy, for the word of encouragement. Men of God, we really appreciate your presence today. Greetings to the management of the college, Mrs. Musesi, our Deputy Principal Academic, Mr. Jacob Oliphant, Deputy Principal Corporate Services, Mr. Patrick Mamrobela, Deputy Principal Finance. Our team of campus managers from the Vanderbilt Park campus, Ms. Manini Khadebe, Spoken campus, Mr. Dostonoche, Mr. Naledi Mutaung at the Vereeniging campus, and Mr. Clement Ngubeni from the Heidelberg campus. To the College Council, under the chairpersonship of Professor Lula Mamakubela. To our SRC, which is our Student Representative Council, under the presidency of Mr. Elliot Lebota. To our parents, families, friends, fans, supporters and cheerleaders, and our graduates, who are our VIPs for today. Let me welcome you in a language that is spoken here in the Val. Here in the Val, re bua Sesotho. Ke ka hoo ke reng ho lona le amohetswe mo sedibeng sa thuto e phahameng le thupello. Today marks the historic day for the college as we host the first virtual graduation that will cover students who completed their certificates in NCV, NATED, in Business Studies and Engineering Studies, students who completed their diplomas, as well as those who completed their artisanship from 2019, 2020, and 2021. In other words, we are mop-upping students who could not complete their graduations due to the COVID-19 pandemic. As COVID-19 introduced a new normal, I don't think things will ever be the same again. Online teaching, virtual meetings, and digital currency. And I've heard this week that there's one country in Africa that is introducing digital currency. I think this is the way to go. In 2019, the College Council and management of the college formulated a new vision and mission that has set a tone for the coming 5 years. And the vision of the college is to provide a quality education that is aligned with the fourth industrial revolution and promote the green economy. The COVID-19 has served as a catalyst to speed up the plans that we had to put in place and respond to our strategic objectives. And we hope that the college will not be counted with those who have missed the opportunity that is presented by the pandemic. I would like to thank the following sponsors that has made the virtual graduation possible: the APSA, Tipenar and Renege, as well as Mado Photos. And all the sponsors has assisted us to appreciate the best performing students who have joined us today together with their parents as we celebrate their success. The success of our students will not be possible without the hard work and the support of our lecturing staff and our support staff. A big thank you to our staff members who worked throughout in ensuring that our students are successful in their programs. In this sector, we pride ourselves when we see our students entering the work of employment and those who enter business. My gratitude goes to our partners, and it will be fair for me to mention but a few who have contributed to the success of the college. Cummins Komatsu through technical education for communities, which is called a TECH program. Schneider Electric through French, South African Schneider Electric Education Center, FSASEC, Fort South Africa, Festo, as well as British American Tobacco South Africa, known as BATA. These companies have contributed through donations of equipment and money in ensuring that the college fulfilled the strategic objective. Today, I welcome you as alumni. We want to keep in touch with you. So we'd like to ask you to please visit mysetcall.co.za and register your credentials. We also want to keep in touch with you so that we know where you are and we can assist with internship placements and apprenticeship placements, and also to support those who have entered the world of business through entrepreneurship. I want to believe that your families will change after this, as we all know that the education, it is the key to success. I now want to invite you, sit back and enjoy as we present to you the graduates. I would like you to celebrate in an African way at the comfort of your home, as we celebrate the achievements of our students in an African way. I thank you.
Chairperson of the College Council, it is an honor for me to present to you candidates for the program Report 191 Business Studies, Business Management. Baloi Rifilwe San, Bam Sinovuyo, Bofelo Tabo, Bojosi Tumi, Bomvana, Mpo Lorraine, Boyang Lebohang Felicity, Chebase Hilda Manana, Qindi Baba Johannes, Dasheko Tsianeo Cynthia, Dlamini I Wish Trust, Dibate Khomutso Choice, Dibati Dimakatso Tilda, Dipiti Kamugelo Evidence, Dladla Nelisiwe Saman, Dlamini Nomvula, Dlamini Ntandoyenkosi, Dlamini Selina Pales, Dlamini Tembilihle, Dlamini Zodwa Priscilla, Dube Mabatu Leni, Dwayi Asitandile, Zimba Anna Rose, Gaba Anna Matapel, Kamede Simpiwe Kevin, Congo Nombulelo Carol, Gova Gamuchirai, Quinta Mandlakasi, Hajani Tsidiso Hector, Sahani Kutwan, Tachwayo Mkebo, Shongwani Nokolo Nokwanda, Hwai Lindiwe Hilda, Keswa Puselet, Khodumo Zintle Bridget, Hwadi Happy, Keswa Kolani, Hwabani Dineo Julia, Kodu Matume Lebohan, Kodisang Malishwani Mary Ann, Komani Kholani Khomutso, Kumalo Happy Emily, Kumalo Siakola, Kumalo Tabang Vincent, Kunkeani Sevelina Mbewe, Kutwani Gladys Pulani, Liburu Mpielo Sylvia, Ledwaba Kwena Procida, Letsapa Kifilwe, Letsele Keletso, Dikwebe Dironto Margaret, Lubisi Prosperity Ketiwe, Mabe Rose Mbali, Mabele Ntabiseng Happiness, Mafatle Dikeledi Maria, Mafite Mapifo Muriel, Mafisa Lebohang Jennifer, Mafrika Zanele Patricia, Mahoro Poshia, Mahlangu Busisiwe, Mahlangu Karabelo, Mahlangu Linda, Mahlatsi Motlahumang, Mahlatsi Zanele Yolanda, Majola, Sibusiso Godfrey, Makafu Mure, Makamu Amukelani Onika, Makhopa Selina Mokhadi, Makokolo Lehlonolo Winston, Makuba Kumbulani, Makubu Kilebuhi, Malebu Belina Ayanda, Malindi Mafa Paulos, Maloka Jokasi David,
Maduleke Nea Vuketi, Mananga Andile, Mandobe, Luando, Mani, Kwandile, Manoto, Modeboheng Messi, Manoto, Ntombenhle, Manso, Sillo Daniel, Manso Venisa Mamukete, Manyika Poshia Mbali, Manyika Zandile, Mapokhoshe Musidi Ana, Mapuna Mamukete Maria, Marumo Kilebuhile Eunice, Maseko Jeremia Sibusiso, Maseko Joyce, Mashele Nontlantla Foyazi, Mashifani Matoto Ponzo, Mashinini Ntokozo Phumzile, Mashinini Tinyiko, Masobela Karabo Angeline Masoka Sinako, Mateka Muiponi Selina, Matekane Katleho Princess, Mache Tebalelo Sebaretlane, Matlala Matapelo Rita, Matola Linda Sheila, Tsabu Priscilla Morwesi, Matsabu Priscilla Morwesi, Matsaneng Buitumelo Cynthia, Matsime Nkolwane Justina, Mawelela Mguni Alfred, May Aseza Mazibuko Tulisile Zamangwe Mbatha Nobuhle Philile Mbatha Thandanani Mbele Niniwe Sophie Mbombi Nzalama Mbongo Jabulile Mbongo Sibongile Mbovani Mpumelelo Mchunu Ditsakenelo Matilda Mdantile Amanda Meko Rethabile Mfobela Nosipho Claudia Mhlanga Philisiwe Kerry Mia Mapaseka Rachel Mkathwa Nompumelelo Bridget Mkhwambi Sihle Mkrola Siphamandla Mkhwanazi Thabang Moalusi Happiness Karabo Mudise Nicole Matshidiso Mofokeng Uprenda Dieketseng Mofokeng Karabelo Dennis Mofokeng Keleboni Soli Mofokeng Kehlana Lucas Mofokeng Lerato Caroline Mofokeng Lerato Mofokeng Thabiseng Emily Mofokeng Nzwaki Adelaide Mofokeng Tshepo Stephen Mofolo Nombulelo Lebohang Mkhadime Orobetse Moarabi Mokhwane Ngwathu Harris Mohlwane Thabiso Success Mohobela Michael Mokagane Gladys Lesego Mokalapa Manana Mokale Lesego Mokhashane Dieketseng Lucia Mokhatla Mpho Neria
Mokheseng Diketso Mokwena Jeanette Phumla Mokwena Mabotle Rose Mokwena Motshewa Joyce Mokwena Naledi Precious Mokwena Tshepang Elizabeth Mokwena Tsulufelo Molakeng Sipati Violet Molekwa Serami Ishmael Molete Silwane Elizabeth Modise Lydia Dimakatso Monaheng Sibongile Lydia Monasani Ntabiseng Moraba Lerato Morake Given Tsileng Morake Rekhothaditswe Mapula More Khokolo Angelina Morena Tibello Hope Mosala Sireko Moshe Ayanda Musia Alina Josephine Musia Cecilia Mutsidisi Musia Sana Joyce Musia Zandile Gloria Motaung Buhlali Motaung Dieketseng Morin Motaung Evelyn Palesa Motaung Glacier Motaung Gloria Tulwana Motaung Malihlohonolo Patricia Motaung Neo Motaung Precious Itumeleng Motaung Nyani Amohelang Motepu Lerato Motepu Puleng Mutibi Tsulufelo Kumo Mutiani Kanyisile Motobi Ntabiseng Yvonne Motupi Valencia Neo Motlalei Dineo Motloung Mulifi Fusi Motloung Phesi Teboho Motshweneng Lerato Mutumi Motlalipule Elizabeth Mountain Kolelwa Innocent Moutlaning Mapaseka Basitsana Mpakati Phumlisa Mpambani Asanda Mpebe Gloria Mpasani Ntabeleng Susan Mphuthi Dieketseng Mputi Mamello, Msimanga Dimakatso Miriam, Msimanga Tandiwe Litseho, Mtembu Innocentia, Mtombeni Tulufelo Lindiwe, Mtombeni Tulufelo Lindiwe, Mchali Tobile Aida, Mchopo Tembagazi, Ndindwa Meisi, Ndweni Mputseni, Nechilongwe Prince, Nhlapu Ntabiseni, Nhlapu Puleng Miriam, Nkwani Mpho Catherine, Nolo Silwani Patricia, Nompuzi Nolukhulo, Nkolo Matsidiso Natasha, Ntadi Mpho Patricia, Ntaba Mpho Matilda, Ntebe Mapaseka Priscilla, Ntebe Ntabiseni, Nchumayelo Khanyisile, Ntsielo Dimpho Violet, Nukelo Sivuile, Nyapotse Ma Ntako Pretty, Nyoni Kamogelo, Oliphant Moteo, Prada Matapelo Joyce, Palatsi Baby, Petla Refilwe, Poneha Mpho, Purugo Ntabiseng Salamina, Putlani Keletso, Kamakwani Winnie Salamina, Rabodinyani Ntutu Asilia, Khatebe Isaac Zakia, Ralibitso Tsepang, Ralumbe Lindelani Faith, Ramaidi Kamuhelo, Ramaisa John Molelejani, Ramuabi Sinati Caroline, Rampai Karabo, Rasivanga Rolivua Glenn, Rodi Entle, Sibati Aiza Pinki, Sifulo Tebogo, Sikhogela Vivian Sibotsa, Sijakhomu Moleboheng Patricia, Sekese Mapule Ria, Sikhala Karabo Kilebogile, Sikhantsa Thato, Sikurubeze Nokutula, Sisidinyani Tabang, Sithaba Ntlamulo, Sithebe Themba Nkosinati, Sithebe Tshepiso, Sia Normalizo Innocenta, Shibambu Tiso Shaman, Sihlangu Thulani Silence, Siqingqi Ziyanda, Sikho Thandi Georgina, Sithole Matilia Lindi, Sithole Nhlakanipho Sinethemba, Taunyani Lebohang Taunyani, Thapedi Ntswaki Lisbeth, Teletsani Donald Morena, Tembela Liletu, Tinte Katiso Griffith, Tinte Neo, Tons Silo Zakaria, Chabalala Jabulile Prudence, Chabalala Mpho Petronella, Chabalala Naledi, Chabalala Nokutula Ntabiseng, Chabalala Sikhalo Stewarts, Chimanga Tabita Carol, Chiani Ntebuheng, Chiani Christopher Lebogang, Tswari Duduza McDonald, Tsotetsi Agnes Kidiboni, Tsotetsi Cecilia Nelisiwe, Tsotetsi Ngaka, Tukisi Neo Ivy, Tume Zanele Cynthia, Valashia Itumeleng, Vilakazi Nompumelelo Bevelin, Vilakazi Yvonne Muelo, Zeka Kolo Nomusa, Zulu Jeanette. Chairperson of the College Council, it is an honor for me to present to you candidates for Report 191 Business Studies, Hospitality and Catering Services. Kanga Phakama, Chabalala Pamela Meredith, Qibi Mzwake Elfas, Khotiswa Esetu, Hlabati Simpiwe Patience, Kometsi Mashia, Konje Lebohang Felicity, Luchetu Philadelphia Nompumelelo, Mabuza Busisiwe, Madikhetla Mpho Prudence, Madonsela Tsakani, Mahele Zandile Jane, Makai Rethabisitswe, Malika Duduzile Consolation, Malindi Melusi Homrick, Maphalala Fundisiwe Patience, Mapitekatsi Sibongile Bridget, Marangeni Matapelo Adelina, Mareletsi Maschaba Lillian, Maseko Tsulufelo Didimalo, Maswenkhanye Millicent, Matungha Lirato Angel, Mhlabi Matsidiso Susan, Mhlanga Makhosazana Juliet, Mia Nontlantle, Mkhwanazi Palisa Constance, Mlangeni Noqolo Lithukuhle, Mlilo Mpho, Mufukeng Lesia Ntuta, Mufukeng Ntswaki Valencia, Mufukeng Refilwe Rose, Mukhoje Karabo Vinolia, Mhutwani Kamohelo Marupini, Mukhabudi Reshoketswe, Mukwena Andronika, Mukoni Khulufelo Kabelo, Mulata Palisa Cleotilde, Mulife Happy Ntomfuthi, Mudise Elizabeth Makosi, Morajani Lebohang Refilwe, Moreki Refilwe Dimakatso, Mutaung Murungwe, Mutibi Lerato Belina, Msibi Vangile, Mtambo Tambiso, Mtia Tandiwe Lerato, Munyai Roliwa, Ndlovu Lona, Ngalo Vuyelwa Millicent, Ngonelo Lerato Maria, Nonyani Mamelo Sara, Nteu Lerato Refilwe, Nteu Priscilla, Ntsilo Silwani Ivy, Nkele Bonga Nkanyiso, Phile Ntabeleng Adeline, Khatebe Mpho Kanyisile, Raita Imani Mutsidisi, Sanders Mpho Lydia, Sekele Katlego Lenkina, Seleka Tshegofatso Valeri, Selepe Lehlogonolo Kgolane, Seretlo Tshidiso Simon, Tau Silwane, Thebehadi Mildred Matsidiso, Tsope Boitumelo Michelle.
Chairperson of the College Council, it is an honor for me to present to you candidates for Report 191, Business Studies, Human Resource Management.
Bala Unelisiwe, Baloi Cindy, Bam Bulelwa, Banyani Keletso Olivia, Budibe Jokomina Louisa, Botswere Mpho Prudence, Putribe Poshia Mamukena, Buddha Siabonga Franklin, Kerry Brandon Kaeletu, Chaha Refilwe Palesa, Chauke Zwanaka, Clark Musa Prudence, Dai Elizabeth Nozindaba, Dlamini Connie Constance, Dladla Ntando Joy, Favane Cynthia Zandile, Gogocha Sinovuyo, Gova Kangelani Peter, Habile Bongani Edwin, Hlalele Katlego, Hlongwani Philemon, Jamekwani Sbongile Vangeli, Juili Vuyelwa Cynthia, Khwadi Lebohang Magresmesi, Khampepe Ntabise, Khampepe Pete Mudise, Khang Maria Mangkumise, Khumalo Ntombi Zanele, Khumalo Sibusiso, Khumalo Miriam Nomusa, Letanta Mudiehi Innocentia, Letsulo Tsepo Maleho, Lusenga Fikile Lenrose, Machobani Mufumanehi Moses, Matingwani Thula Sizwe Zuzikai, Madihlaba Dimakatso Precious, Madonna Busisiwe Reni, Madonna Makhotso Mary, Mafaralala Pietrus Tumelo, Makunyana Zinhle Petronela, Mahlakwana Moeketsi Samuel, Mahlangu Phumzile Mochachi, Maila Gift Mpho, Makhajani Motlalepule Belina, Makhokolo Sara Zanele, Makhubo Mbali, Malape Matsidiso Abigail, Malebu Kwene N, Moloisani Mathabo Ivodia, Malope Poshia, Manqia Mlibogasi, Mangope Malikheto Francina, Mauko Dira Lawrence, Mariti Lebohang Lydia, Maruping Katlego, Maseko Charlotte Nontlanhla, Masita Sipati Maria, Mateba Ntomfuthi Phindile, Matuna Nokufa Mavis, Matseani Tshwaro, Matsetse Promise Lekoba, Matuke Megi Phindile, Mbokani Mbali, Mchunu Slindile Mbali, Ndokwe Lebohang, Gcina Buyiswa Maria, Mhlambi Mbalenhle, Mjeza Sizakele Petunia, Mkwese Owethu, Mlangeni Thembisile Amy, Mudise Matumelo Daphne, Moemisi Motlatsi Francina, Mofokeng Dineo Francina, Mofokeng Lerato Maria, Mofokeng Lisbeth Itumele, Mofokeng Poshia Refilwe, Mofokeng Rebecca Nonkuleleko, Mofokeng Veronica Mpakiseng, Mohali Victoria Palesa, Mohlala Mampureng Kabelo, Mohlamme Karabo Ashley, Mokale Thembi Ellen, Mokhobo Tebo, Mokhwadi Piner Tetelo, Mokhachani Puseletso Sheila, Mokhele Betty, Mokheti Julia Tsaletseng, Mokhitli Mathakane Ana, Mokwena Karabo Palesa, Mokwena Motsidiso Hillary, Mokwena Thembi Chetty, Moloi Thabiso Hamilton, Moloi Victoria Palesa, Monyake N. Dimaka, Monyatsi Nthati Maria, Moreko Tato Lucia, Moshwadiba Lindi Jennifer, Musia Ntabeleng, Musia Vuyelwa Petunia, Motaung Lerato Petunia, Motloung Putso Conscious, Motsamai Palesa Rose, Motsepe Morwesi Lydia, Motswahaye Clementine Tsolofelo, Motsweni Ntabiseng Angelina, Moyo Tebogo, Msangweni Seatile Lili, Msibi Happy Nonhlanhla, Msibi Lerato Queeneth, Msibi Zandile Zelda, Ntati Siyamthanda Welcome, Munyu Analo Rethabile, Mzini Vuyani, Nakedi Tebogo Morwa, Dimandi Rika, Ngubentombi Zizipho, Ngwenya Ntombizodo, Nhlapo Kifiwe Innocentia, Nhlapo Rose Mbali, Nhlapo Sibongile Innocentia, Nkala Nomsebenzi, Nkuna Sindile, Nosi Dimakatso Agnes, Ntlele Makwena Maria, Nchumaelo Makhotso Mathabo, Phathi Lehlonolo, Phuthi Tshepo Colin, Potsani Solomon Molelekwa, Rampitsang Ntsikelelo Caledon, Rangu Relebohile Hope, Rathabaneng Ntswaki, Sibuse Thabo Bongani, Sidiadia Makhanna, Sefadi Pulem Precious, Sefatsa Tsolofelo Millicent, Sefulo Pauline, Sekhantsha Poshia, Selahle Nkateko, Situnya Pulane Caroline, Sibeko Ntabise, Swetsang Malishwane Maria, Skwedlan Lerato, Stein Priscilla Evelyn, Suping Potetsa Elizabeth, Talani Makamele Tracy, Tabani Beatrice Nomsa, Tabata Nomthandazo Maria, Tabete Busisiwe Yvonne, Tapedi Titi Elias, Edima Mary Jane, Mamuikabi, Tsamela Lerato Judy, Tsazi Kulumani, Tsulo Mpho John, Tsotetsi Amatu Bila, Tulumani Asanda, Van Veik Eshla Mpho, Vilakazi Happy Nonjabulo, Xaba Ntabeleng Janet, Oli Anga.
Chairperson of the College Council, it is an honor for me to present to you candidates for Report 191 Business Studies, Tourism Management.
April Masitembe, Chongo Busiswa Pamela, Cwele Fundeka, Ditse Martha, Hlalele Queen Gladys, Yuho Shanazin Muisha, Kire Mweti Mendel, Kanzi Asive, Keswa Thabiso Charles, Khumalo Ntombifuthi Emma, Khumalo Sinenhlanhla Sweetness, Langa Celestina Fahlaza, Langa Olindi Manaqanda, Letseng Kamohelo, Magayiyana Lingdoguhle, Makatias Sibongile Poshia, Makeka Tumelo, Maluleke Nhlanhla Priti, Maluleke Nhlalala Priti, Manzoyi Matsidiso Poshia, Makashani Kevin Matumi, Mashikwana Lebogang Bridget, Mati Rika Damaria, Matebula Mapaseka Felicia, Mbele Nomvula Felicia, Mfazwe Nomonde, Mkwanazi Busisiwe, Mnune Bongani Mpikeleli, Mufukeng Mutsidisi, Mokatani Siobi Gift, Mokebe Diana Muiponi, Mokebe Mpo, Mokwena Sebabatso Elizabeth, Molapo Florence Palesa, Mollo Lehlohonolo, Moloi Kamogelo Carol, Moloi Moshati Paul, Moropodi Mosele Anna, Mosala Palesa Rose, Motaung Mpo, Motloung Palesa Caroline, Motloang Palesa Caroline, Motloung Poshia Karabo, Motsepe Rachel Lerato, Mpinga Vuyiswa Prudence, Nale Itumeleng, Nkubuka Nomvula Emily, Ngobeni Akani Walter, Nhlapo Lungile, Nkomonde Sibusiso Nimrod, Nkunjana Kinewe Victoria, Ntebe Sara Ngobile, Nyambosi Lebohang Petunia, Oliphant Gasta, Pule Neo Emily, Khatebe Muzi, Khatebe Tsepiso Palesa, Ramagaga Masesi Patience, Sidumo Mamello, Sikonyela Pinky, Selana Patrick Lwazi, Sereme Itumeleng Wageng, Sibisi Nandipha, Sikhosana Sinethemba, Swetsang Nonoki Alina, Tini Zikhona, Tladi Teboho Shane, Tshwenyani Padime Herbert, Tshwari Zanele Rebecca, Tsotetsi Ntediseng Salamina, Tsotetsi Puleng Sara, Tsotetsi Rosaline Lebohang, Aba Nomasonto Jeanette, Zotwani Nomayeza.
Chairperson of the College Council, it is an honor for me to present to you candidates for Report 191, Business Studies, Marketing Management.
Bishop Manana Charlotte, Budibe Brandon, Buthelezi Siphelele Simpiwe, Chesani Sihole Patrick, Dasheka Bonolo, Dlamini Judah, Dlamini Kabonina, Jomo Bongani, Duba Francina Lindiwe, Dube Nhlanhla Moses, Dumezweni Nomthandazo Regina, Janchi Ntukeleng, Khadebe William Mbuti, Hlalele Ntabiseng Jacqueline, Hobwani Rofiniwa, Jodo Naledi Topi, Kabi Retabile, Kamango Jeanette Puselletso, Kenembirira Chris Towana, Keteyi Andronica Nomafu, Kharaga Diana Petahunadi, Khatle Elizabeth Sipati, Khanye Mpho Morgan, Khanye Naledi King, Kharudi Relebogile, Khosa Xilombe, Kubedu Relebogile Prudence, Kumalo Thando Lisa, Kunou Moeketsi Matiwane, Kodisa Mamutsewa Charlotte, Kohitletsi Tshegofatso Prudentia, Kotola Matsidiso Winnie, Kumalo Lucia Refilwe, Kumalo Thabo Petune, Langa Mpho Irene, Lehlake Shuping Isaac, Lehlokwa Lebohang Jennifer, Letanta Elizabeth Matsidiso, Letele Palesa, Dialemetsi Tibello, Dibala Bongekile Lorraine, Dibisi Pretty, Mabaso Baby Jane, Mabaso Rifumelo Accolade, Mabombo Koleka Nomfuyo, Mabunda Seymour, Mabunda Vunani Harriet, Machiche Matsidiso Florence, Maditsi Mujaji Hope, Maduna Bongiwe Vicious, Maduna Kerry Tulwana, Maduna Tandi, Mahoma Kodani, Mahau Ntabiseng, Mahlatsi Patricia Silwane, Mahlatsi Patricia Silwane, Maile Retabile, Maile Sedinyana Hamilton, Maine Frida Ntabiseng, Mashuani Itumeleng Retabile, Maja Katlego Given, Majola Noxolo Vuyiswa, Makama na Lady Esther, Makhalimele Mulelekeng, Makhanya Mpho, Makule Mohau Elias, Malachi Catherine Madeleine, Malele Tumelo Bob, Maloka Letia Julia, Maluleka Rethabile, Mamokgobo Puleng Pascaline, Mangwanyi Lerato Daina, Manganyi Lerato Daina, Maseko Longkasa Nandi, Mashau Langanani, Mashiko Ntabiseng, Mashikwane Mema Lucas, Mashile Wisani, Maswabi Kamohelo, Matine Khosi, Matikha Relebogile, Machi Karabo Rosina, Matlaletsa Bernard Tabiso, Matlakwane Sekabo Palesa, Matuani Vanessa Khomotso, Machingi Bupe Martha, Mazwebe Mwekezi, Mbele Tabo Gift, Mbongo Mbale Miriam, Mdingi Matapelo Mary Jane, Mdingi Matapelo Mary Jane, Mdlalose Sinamile, Midupi Buitumelo Khomotso, Mehlomakhulu Simpiwe Mkoka, Melatu Pakiso Kevin, Mgina Nokuthula, Mgijima Tumelo Happy, Mhambi Nqobile Prudence, Mhlongo Nomqebo Shilane, Mkefa Pamela, Mkhwanazi Mamusebetsi Paulina, Moabi Donald Lebogang, Modipa Lehlohonolo, Modungwa Thato Motlalipule, Moya Lebogang, Mofokeng Mpaile Jimmy, Mofokeng Thato.
Mogwera Modupi Adam, Mogorosi Refilwe, Mohlabani Krema Lesego, Mohlokonya re lebohile. Mokae Boitumelo Clinton, Mokae Katlego ke amogetse, Mogolane Mosehlane, Mogele Ntaoleng Patricia, Mokwena Abraham Leponesa, Mokwena Jebina Dithako, Mokwena Liberty, Mokwena Mateboho Christina, Mokwena Modiehi Lucia, Mokwena Mohau Monica, Mokwena Palesa, Mokwena Shweshwe Felle, Mokwena Thato Immaculate, Mokwani Keledi Pascalina, Mokwele Mutshudi Zipora, Mokwena Palesa Celeste, Moloi Mpho, Mulutsi Kenny Jabu, Moeketsi Keletso Selwane, Mopedi Tebello Karabo, Morabe Karabo Lindekuhle, Morosi Mbali, Moshweshwe Witness Dihotetso, Musia Musele Alina, Muswetsa Malehlohonolo Bridget, Mosolodi Rethabile, Motaung Khomotso Comfort, Motaung Phakiso Sam, Motloung Keresemese Christopher, Motshweneng Itumeleng, Motshweneng re lebohile Agnes, Motswenyane Boitumelo Ingrid, Mpirime Mpho, Nsia Ntlantla Benedict, Mthembu Sanele Samukele, Mthethwa Themba Victor, Mvundla Morakani, Mzizi Kethiwe Dina, Nchejane Thabiso, Ndlovu Fortunate Felisiwe, Ndlovu Inosonshia Hilani, Ngubeni Thembinkosi, Ngwenya Ayanda, Ngwenya Nomshato, Ntishe Lukholo, Nhlapo Faneka Emma, Nhlapo Mpho, Nhlapo Samukela, Nkgadime Bridget, Nkolongo Mbuye Lidae, Nkosi Bongiwe Miriam, Nkosi Thabang Benjamin, Ntai Seape, Njepela Sean Bainon, Ngumalo Rachel Jabulile, Phahla Mohlaka Naledi, Phakathi Thapelo Tshepo, Putsane Thabile, Putswane Thakane, Quvani Viwe, Radebe Bongani Wilson, Radebe Floyd Sibusiso, Radebe Neo, Radebe Ntombikaise, Radebe Sibongile Lydia, Rahetla Sipati Maria, Rahodile Lehlohonolo Lucky, Ramafikeng Katleho Prince, Ramaisa Puselezo Bridget, Ramahale Tabang, Ramonaka Sizakhele Precious, Ranzieng Muipone Martha, Seaketso Kuketso Precious, Sileho Nicole Koni, Sello Itumeleng Penelope, Selloane Elizabeth, Sintumile Karabo Mafusi Shavalala Pule, Shirinza Lady Brenda, Sibamba Bekifa Innocent, Sibeko Sindiswa Cleopatra, Sihlangu Blessings, Silinga Siziwe, Simelane Kamuhelo Precious, Solomon Neo, Sotaka Lebohang Millicent, Sumani Lesedi, Taunyani Matapelo, Tabete Tandi Lindiwe, Telitsane Lerato, Telitsane Mojalefa, Twala Tenjiwe, Tladi Katleho, Chabalala Zanele Allen, Chabangu Motlalipule, Tsime Lebohang, Tshotetse Gerald Teboho, Chantini Batabile, Ace Karabo Angela, Wandlala Hulwani, Waziwei David, Wiso Zokiswa, Zim Buitumelo, Zondo Lerato Samantha. Chairperson of the College Council, it is an honor for me to present to you candidates for Report 191 Business Studies, Public Management. Balo Thandi Prudence, Baloyi Mazibandlela, Johanna Uthelezi, Nomvuselelo Londiwe, Buthelezi, Ntwembenhle, Happy, Chalale Mahadi, Cindy Dimpho Lucia, Talikuba, Bomkazi Gloria, Danka Zanele, Alfina, Deka, Toriso, Tekele, Dlameni Nomtandazo, Evelyn, Dlameni Perseverance, Nompumelo, Dlangalala Zama, Topi, Ndolo, Ntsepeng Rose, Dubazana, Masiabata, Florina, Dumasi, Tembani Lucia, Enoch Asimahle Natasha, Entitze Utlwano Anelka, Gama Neliswa Prudence, Khasa Nonkuleleko Noluthando, Kuambe Hlonipha Angelina, Guda Mswati, Gam Phumelelo, Kumbi Nokuzola Zoleka, Kumbi Nokuzola Zoleka, Adebe Samkelisiwe, Tlatswayo Levet Bongani, Hleza Nonhlanhla Julian, Hlongwani Makhosazana Bianca, Hlumbani Mbalenhle Amelia, Jokazi Jabulile Portia, Jokazi Nonhlanhla Sweetness, Kamela Johanna Mudiei, Kampi Buselethu, Kekana Nthabiseng Victress, Khoza Julia Nokukhanya, Khumalo Ruben, Khumalo Thuthukani, Kubeka Nqobile Siyabonga, Kubeka Lindiwe Ntombikhona, Kubeka Londiwe Promise, Khumalo Kuleleko Nathaniel, Khumalo Thandeka Brand, Lambadi Thakani, Liphuthing Matheiso Queen, Lipile Nthabiseng Desire, Letsaba Faith Simpiwe, Dibe Ntswaki Salamine, Lobi Makhosazana Fortunate, Mabaso Mpilo Julia, Mabaso Nomfanelo Simpiwe, Mabaso Samuel, Mabi Venshia Tato, Mabelani Aubrey, Mabote Rifilwe Charlotte, Mabuya Nancy Matshidiso, Mabaso Samuel, Mabe Vincentia Tato, Mabelane Aubrey, Mabote Rifilwe Charlotte, Mabote Rifilwe Charlotte, Mabuya Nancy Matshidiso, Mabuza Tsepo, Mazi Gundo Hector, Mafabato Lindi Maria, Mahata Matumelo, Magubani Ayanda, Mahlangu Busisiwe Lydia, Mahlangu Phindile, Mahlatsi Lethabo Dieketseng, Maila Lorraine Metsi, Mainga Simpiwe Conference, Makabeni Nkosinathi Isaac, Makelana Mhlavase Beatrice, Makhwale Jacqueline Matete, Makhwale Susan Malla, Malahle Florence Monakedi, Malangana Nyeleti, Malefani Rethabile Francina, Malunga Lerato Bongiwe, Maseko Trevor Patrick, Mashele Kensani Reconnaissance, Mashilwani Mathabo Gift, Mashilwane Mukedi Elsie, Mashinini Gift Sifiso, Mashinini Mafehlase Precious, Masilo Lerato, Masina Busisiwe, Masondo Phumla Vinolia, Mazibuko Litukuthula Petronella, Mazibuko Mbali Happy, Mbele Mbalenhle Precious, Mdluli Gift Sifiso, Mfupi Thandiwe Pamela, Mhlambi Phumalani Terence, Mkhabela Leti Sibongile, Mkhangelwa Anelisa, Mkhuma Zandile Elsie, Mlaba Lerato Elizabeth, Mlambo Lungile Khanyisile, Mlangeni Duduzo Christian, Mako Lehlohonolo Aaron, Mngomezulu Nonhlanhla Fortunate, Munyungula Nombulelo Hope, Moagi Itumeleng Priscilla, Moya Rorisang, Mofokeng Busisiwe Betty, Mofokeng Mathapelo Lena, Mofokeng Thabiseng Victoria, Mofokeng Teboho David, Mohale Marasia Rochelle, Mohapi Mpho, Mojela Umphemetse Thato, Mokwena Fedile Gethma, Mokwena Motswenyane Selina, Mokwena Palesa Flora, Molambo Nomfanelo, Molefe Molambo Nomfanelo, Molefe Mapitso Lydia, Moloi Matsileng Goodness, Moloi Nombali Brilliant, Moloto Lebeko Lisibe, Monyani Simpiwe Jerry, Mosesi Palesa Mpho, Moshwadiba Mamsi Emily, Motai Bohlale Naledi, Motaung Mpho Gladys, Motweni Cindy, Motweni Zanele Jane, Motweni Mosebetsi Jacob, Motweni Johannes Kulani, Motweni Johannes Kulani, Mpahani Mpho Gift, Mpanza Heraipa Michelle, Msenti Nolitando, Msimanga Sara Ntlantla, Msiza Mabereng Magdalene, Msiza Mabereng Magdalene, Msiza Martha Nosterek, Msomi Candy Nokupiwa, Mchilibe Zweli Ivan, Munyai Orifa Velemina, Muvambo Noloyiso, Mbulani Nomsa Julia, Mvundla Innocentia Noluthando, Miyeza Phakamani Ntlantla, Miyira Nomvula Lady, Nkombolo Dipuo Precious, Ndlovu Vusimuzi George, Ndimande Spiwe, Ndlela Thenjiwe Lerato, Ndlovu Nomfundo, Ndlovu Nthabiseng Martha, Ndlovu Thomas Sandile, Nembilwi Kiwarapetse Thulari, Nene Ayanda Nomonde, Nechifefe Avatakari Eunice, Nechitunkulu Olukayo, Nechitunkulu Olukhaho, Nechitungulu Olukhawo, Ngobeni Phindile, Ngwenya Khanyisile Felicity, Ntlantla Queen Nobantu, Nhlapho Phindile Christina, Nhlapho Kamuhelo, Nhlapho Monase Elizabeth, Nhlapho Mpho Patricia, Nhlapho Ntlantla, Nhlapho Thandeka Princess, Nkosi Nokubonga Precious, Nkutha Thembi Sana, Nkutha Violet Wilhelmina, Nqumalo Cynthia Sthembile, Nqumalo Cynthia Sthembile, Mzimande Mlungisi Eric, Pia Ntula, Phiri Joseph Nyatso, Phonela Chantel, Radebe Zodwa Gladys, Rakitla Leah Katleho, Ramokgwase Ani Malithabisa, Ramokgwase Ani Malithabisa, Rasillo Mangaka Margaret, Razia Spokazi, Sebopa Mpho Johannes, Seepe Tabelane Baballo, Sefadi Palesa Rose, Sejane Mabusani Augustus, Sintumile Neo, Shabangu Siposetu, Shabangu Thembile Goodness, Shongwe Veli June, Sibande Pumzile Poshia, Sibia Memory Nomfundo, Sichinga Nombulelo Paulina, Sehlangu Sibusiso David, Sehlangu Sifiso Lucas, Skosana Jabulile Julia, Sithole Gift Nolwazi, Sithole Vanessa, Situha Mulanga, Tabete Tabisile Lucia, Twala Nontlantla Diana, Chabalala Lindobuhle, Chabalala Nokuthula, Chabalala Nomvula Maria, Chabalala Siabonga Johannes, Chabalala Wendy, Tsoteti Mamotseare Halina, Tsoteti Matsidiso, Tsoteti Shep Abel, Tsoteti Togo, Tsoteti Tepi Joyce, Twala Mavis Sizakhele, Tsoteti Mamotseare Halina, Tsoteti Matsidiso, Tsoteti Shep Abel, Tsoteti Togo, Tsoteti Tepi Joyce, Twala Mavis Sizakhele, Ubise Sibusiso, Qaba Lindiwe Martha, Zulu Ayanda Constance. Chairperson of the College Council, it is an honor for me to present to you candidates for Report 191, Business Studies, Management Assistant.
Baba Busisiwe Agnes, Belani Nobuhle Karabo, Baloyi Karabo Surprise, Buditsi Gloria Maseram, Buvula Zintle Goodness, Buang Ashla, Buthelezi Lerato Maria, Buthelezi Lerato Maria, Chawani Guguletu Priscilla, Chipapi Shamlet Shelley, Chipapi Shamlet Shelley, Chere Lebohang Teresa, Chere Lebohang Teresa, Chwai Kitumetsi Bongiwe, Ngube Luvuyo Enoch, Ngube Tabile Blessing, Ngumbela Nombulelo Dorothea, Dikok Merika Jacomina, Gludla Buisile, Dipere Mavis Selamina, Dipere Mavis Selina, Dipufa Raisibe Ntswaki, Ditaba Mpho, Dlamini Jeanette, Dlamini Mabel Lungile, Dlamini Mahokolotso Valencia, Dlamini Spesihle Nompumelelo, Dlomo Mapaseka Miriam, Dumisa Sibekezelo Zanele, Falatsi Palesa Caroline, Finga Lona Refilwe, Gama Busisiwe Youthlet, Gama Tabang Wilton, Khatebe Polo Patricia, Gazu Zinentlantla Nobuhle, Giwu Ayanda, Honzi Nomonde, Honyela Noliswa, Ngamani Nomaphilo Poshia, Ngocha Aretha Nosiza, Ngocha Kabelo, Gwebu Mbali Precious, Ngubani Edith Ntombizodwa, Hlongwani Peter Tabang, Jobo Victoria Matapelo, Kapuku Refilwe Vinolia, Kele Ntswaki, Kambule Refilwe Constance, Khampepe Egi Mong Khatwani Kilebogile, Kesa Ntabiseng Patience, Keswa Deliwe Caroline, Keswa Lerato Patricia, Khetisi Lerato Sara, Khiba Tlholo Victoria, Khwadi Itumeleng Wareshla, Khosana Kate Refilwe, Khoza Ngendile, Khoza Puseletso, Khubedu Refilwe Princess, Khumalo Bonisiwe Karabo, Khumalo Palesa, Kwahu Mwilwa Andrew, Kwahu Ntabiseng Gloria, Kwalepe Thabo Victor, Kobedi Mpho, Kwiting Mamello, Komani Naledi Agreement, Koyi Carol, Khumalo Tebo Esau, Langa Elizabeth Bohadi, Lebajwa Mabasia Chlorina, Lebisi Penyo, Lechaba Nombulelo Watsonia, Lecheko Malishwani Gina, Lehloka Mamueketsi Jeanette, Lihungwani Pitedi Gift, Limpe Murakani Innocentia, Leotlela Ntsamayeng Lillian, Lepotoi Tato Judith, Letoba Retabile Robin, Leteleha Ntabiseng Belinda, Lituma Chabedi Philip, Dikhete Ana Sheila, Lomo Winnie Noyesebenzi, Longwe Ntlantla Gift, Lufundo Thandiswa Constance, Mabaso Gift, Mabaso Moleboheng Petunia, Mabaso Sarah Esther, Mabaso Zandile Justin, Mabunele Zanele, Machingwani Sihle, Machobani Ritabile Beverly, Macholo Morashi Elisa, Madisha Pumulo Dora, Madonzela Ntombizodwa Miriam, Madonzela Tembeka Tabili, Maduna Martha Nomajamane, Mafihla Tlakale Lovely, Magazu Ntseziseni, Magagula Nokwanda Joy, Magagule Nomthandazo, Maholeho Thandi, Mahlatsani Sharon Tato, Mahluku Thandeka Adelaide, Mailula Matapelo Mukhadi, Maine Maliemisa Apathia, Mainga Mbalenhle Maria, Makatse Lebohang, Makatse Mpho, Magale Lesikho Fortunate, Magale Lerato Bridget, Magale Mele Tshepiso Prudence, Makhanya Refilwe Hope, Makhema Mulelekeng Rebecca, Makoba Gloria, Makoba Vincent Tapelo, Makgokolo Mpho Mabel, Makhonanyane Dimakatso Petunia, Makubo Ntabiseng, Makoti Homotso Bofidnio, Malebu Elisa Khaitsiwi, Malchas Jennifer, Malchas Maria, Maluka Tapelo Andrew, Maluleke Fani Pretty, Manala Mama Elaine, Manoi Mpho Megan, Manoto Mangaka Alina, Manoto Palesa, Manoto Tsepiso Tabang, Manzini Hleziphi, Mauke Ntabeleng Ethel, Mapokwane Palesa Innocentia, Mapumulo Lesikho Malina, Mapote Princess, Maretela Kitlano Morungwe, Marope Khomotso Forgiveness, Masangu Nomusa Elizabeth, Maseko Mamakgoa Eni, Maseula Ritumets, Mashinini Nompumelelo Princess, Mashinini Nompumelelo Princess, Masikani Sindiswa Inamandla, Masina Tandeka, Masinga Duduzile Johanna, Masiteni Makabelo Elsie, Masweu Tlalani Patience, Masuka Temba Gilbeth, Masole Buitumelo Palesa, Matakanye Nkhumeleng, Matefu Sibusiso Benjamin, Matebula Johanna, Matebula Refilwe Shamaine, Matibela Lihlohonolo Leroy, Mate Mandla, Matiwani Babalwa, Matlou Motlatsi, Matsaneng Tshepo, Matsewani Onkarabile Khositsile, Matsepe Pelukgolo Lethabo, Matutwani Kiitumetsi Candice, Mavundla Eunice Nomatemba, Mavuso Guguletu Thelma, Mazibuko Lerato Ayanda, Mbekwa Basani, Mbele Puleng Neli, Mboto Sipamandla, Mbuyazi Tabisile, Mdaka Ivan Sibusiso, Mdajula Sipho Melvin, Mnina Mpho Maven, Mgele Zianda, Mhlongo Samkelisiwe Patricia, Miso Naledi, Mia Innocentia Vuiswa, Mkomazi Nokwanda Innocentia, Mkukwana Tlhago Prudence, Mkwanazi Nomvula Grace, Mlotshwa Cindy Chantel, Mulawa Tlaleng, Mguni Martha, Mguni Nomasonto Tabito, Mgwevu Thandi Portia, Mnisi Dineo, Mnisi Phumezo, Moagi Sitha Nombulelo, Moahlodi Cindy Ntabeleng, Moalusi Motlakgomang Petunia, Mudau Fulufelo Carol, Moletsani Kamohelo Lebohang, Moeletsi Maria Khethiwe, Moepya Tebogo, Moeti Basetsana Carol, Mofeditse Busisiwe Judith, Mofokeng Dimakatso, Mofokeng Eunice Mamule, Mofokeng Jeanette, Mofokeng Kuku Julia, Mofokeng Lawrence Tumelo, Mofokeng Lebohang Selina, Mofokeng Lipiani Sesi, Mofokeng Malefa Joyce, Mofokeng Mapuleng Flora, Mofokeng Naomi, Mofokeng Ntebaleng Paulina, Mofokeng Papiki John, Mofokeng Perseverance Hlohonolofatso, Mofokeng Thabo, Mofubetswani Muiponi Nastasia, Mofulatsi Kilebohile Karabo, Mogola Portia Mamasele, Mohanwe Siapehi Monica, Mohanwe Thabiso, Mohlahledi Tshiamo, Mohlodi Palesa, Moises Lebohang Jeremy, Mukanyani Patricia Busisiwe, Mokgatla Dieketseng, Mokibitla Malefa Patricia, Mokwa Maqelepo Caswell, Mokobong Miriam Ntukuleng, Mokwena Busisiwe Vinolia, Mokwena Daisy Lebohang, Mokwena Felicity Matatuwe, Mokwena Katleho Stephen, Mokwena Lebohang Gladys, Mokwena Lerato Lydia, Mokwena Lerato, Mokwena Mabali Angelina, Mokwena Malerato Patience, Mokwena Mampili Lydia, Mokwena Ntabeleng Christina, Mokwena Onika Mapewani, Mokwena Ponki Jane, Mokwena Takani, Mokolopo Grace Mutsidisi, Mokomatwani Matsidiso Agnes, Mokoni Khontsi, Mokoni Sentle Martha, Molamu Mamaribe Betty, Molefe Karabo Makhotso, Moloi Dieketseng Priscilla, Moloi Lebohang Agnes, Moloi Ntibaleng Prudence, Moloi Tidimalo Ntombi, Monki Dineo Vanessa, Monyani Lebohang, Monyani Mpho Constance, Monyani Palisa Bonolo, Morajani Teboho Ernest, Morake Disimelo, Morifi Masilemo Hesi, Moroke Khomotso Rebecca, Mosike Whitney Ntokozo, Mosese Malebu, Moshwadiba Peshunia Refilwe, Musia Hlatswani Ellen, Musia Martha Mamatlakeng, Musia Ntabiseng Vinolia, Musianedi Kilebogile, Musikidi Rejoice Retabile, Musolotsani Sipati Felicia, Musue Manketsi Joyce, Motaung Dironto Jacqueline, Motaung Gloria, Motaung Lerato Happiness, Motaung Moshe Moses, Motaung Ntimani Julia, Motaung Ntabeleng Patricia, Motaung Relebohile Evodia, Motabelo Kabelo Anna, Motlatsetsa Sarah Sharon, Motloung Basetsana, Motloung Mojalefa Kenneth, Motloung Mpho Veronica, Motloung Ntabiseng Portia, Motloung Patricia Matumelo, Motloung Pontsho, Motsei Tshepiso Michelle, Motsipe Lebohang Lerato, Motshwening Jabulani Joseph, Motshwening Mpho Mendi, Moyana Nkele Motasi, Mphuthi Lerato Innocentia, Mphuthing Lerato, Msebenzana Balungile, Msibi Mpho, Msimanga Mami Sylvia, Msimangai Puka, Msoki Aida Yoliswa, Mtembu Tembeka Patience, Mteswa Tembekile Valencia, Mtetwa Sihle Luciano, Mtimkulu Simangele Magdalene, Mtimunye Nompumelelo Elizabeth, Mtolo Lerato Precious, Mtolo Mpho Ivonia, Mtombeni Portia Redani, Mtuzi Nomvula Charlotte, Mtimkulu Tembekile, Mqika Thokozile Florence, Munyai Mulalo, Mvundla Lerato Bridget, Muyekwa Nombulelo Patricia, Mira Ayanda, Mzizi Lindiwe Cynthia, Naidu Alima Sharon, Naka Buntle, Natuse Nomakriti Aida, Nkala Mjalefa Philip, Ngangashe Nomonde, Ndlela Busisiwe, Ndlovu Angeline, Ndlovu Busisiwe Tiswalo, Ndlovu Cassius Mongezi, Ndlovu Nonkululeko Pamela, Ndlovu Regina, Ndomo Zanele Margaret, Nduku Nomonde Christina, Ngalosa Priscilla Sindiswa, Ngikana Tembeka, Ngwani Sipokazi, Ngwani Zoleka, Nhlapu Bokang, Nhlapu Dikeledi Salamina, Nhlapu Dimakatso Mamabitsela, Nhlapu Nompumelelo Raulin, Nhlapu Thandeko Wendy, Nkabinde Lebohang, Nkalanga Gugu Timangaliso, Nkambule Ntlantla Felicia, Nkatlu Naledi, Nketle Lydia Palesa, Nki Elisa, Nkomo Monica Prudence, Nkoni Dora Lindelwa, Nkosi Lebohang Duduzile, Nkosi Phumzile Innocentia, Nku Kutwani Tibello, Nkwe Jabulile Patricia, Nosenga Xoliswa, Nsamang Harmony Baubau, Ntebe Dineo, Ntuleng Matsidiso, Ntombela Nokukhanya, Ntseki Tshepiso Naledi, Ntuli Ntombikaise Theo, Nyama Judy, Nyandeni Pakamani, Pakani Mahadi Bridget, Peter Irene Ulwetu, Phaka Musidi Jane, Phasa Sana Maserami, Phiri Karabo, Phuphuma Busisiwe, Pitso Elizabeth Nogazi, Pitso Tabile, Blaki Cynthia Lesia, Phuko Nomsa, Powe Elizabeth Maniti, Paule Kineilwe, Bonyani Edward Tato, Pupuma Onikwa, Rabaji Lisigo Christine, Rabudila Lebohang Rose, Khatebe Angeline Nomtandazo, Khatebe Blondie, Khatebe Gugu Princess, Khatebe Hope Puleng, Khatebe Jabulile, Khatebe Kikhumuditswe, Khatebe Ntabiseng Matilda, Khatebe Ntomfuthi, Khatebe Thandi Eunice, Radingwane Machachi Pretty, Rakgodile Lerato Monica, Ramabolu Ntabiseng Megi, Ramakgole Patricia Malerato, Ramaisa Disebo, Ramakatani Ntabeleng Eunice, Ramatheko Mapitso Elizabeth, Ramosala Ntatile, Rampa Motshabi Tshepang, Rangaza Siabulela Reginald, Rantau Dineo, Ranchanyana Tshepiso Clementine, Rathebe Refilwe Ntabiseng, Rathuku Jewel, Rathulo Nombulelo, Ratikwani Relebogile, Ravele Ndibou Patience, Rikhotso Filion Ngiko, Rowana Yandisa, Saul Zandile, Skuman Mabel, Sibotoma Winnie Lebohang, Sibotoma Winnie Lebohang, Sifatsa Dieketseng Rebecca, Sihodi Ritabile Vinolia, Sejake Motsewa Penelope, Sikhoto Abram Ralisedi, Sikhoto Gladys Sipati, Sikhoto Xoliswa Patience, Silibano Tebogo, Silepe Malerato, Silo Puti Poshia, Sirapelo Masigo Innocentia, Sirifi Palesa Ana, Siutlwadi Maria Dieketseng, Shabalala Amanda, Shabalala Mfanu Kona Enoch, Shabani Dipuo Jacqueline, Sheba Asanda, Shebu Kensani Palesa, Sibia Ntlakanipo Stephen, Sibia Samantha Millicent, Sikhwadi Ezisani, Skosana Ntokozo McDonald, Skosana Tabang Max, Stebe Megi Julia, Siundla Obisa, Skabate Ritsidisitswe condolence. Soldat Zanele Esther. Soswaibe Zikhona. Taso Kamohelo Violent. Tatai Puleng Carol. Tabanyani Penelope Mamotela. Tabedi Tabang Morgan. Teletsani Tato Blessing. Tinani Palisa. Tobedi Murwesi Cynthia. Tutswa Tando. Tulo Ntabeleng Elizabeth. Tladi Ntabeleng Innocentia. Toti Puleng Selina. Chabalala Dieketseng. Chabalala Thabo. Tsawana Tshepiso Shireen. Chibombe Dibani Daina. Tsotetsi Kamohelo Kenny. Tsotetsi Mantwa Lisa. Tsotetsi Mbali Nonkululeko. Tsotetsi Tsulufelo. Jobeka Nomthandazo Angel. Vabaza Glenrose Mandisa. Yende Nontobeko Lucia. Yika Jabulile Patricia. Zita Fezile Nompumelelo. Zita Zibongile Sinentlantla. Zondo Mimi Josephine. Zondo Njabulo. Zwani Relebogile Jacobeth. Zwani Samkelo Pius.
Chairperson of the College Council, it is an honor for me to present to you candidates for the National Diploma in Business Management. Chumisi Tsileng Constance, Gomu Kanyisa, Hlungwani Brendan, Hlungwani Zanele, Kaiani Dieketseng Petunia, Mabaleha Makwiti Doris, Mafanga Lizelle Nontlambuluko, Mahwatsani Ponso Helda, Maile Mahumo, Matikwe Muntseng Enji, Matozi Amfrarisaho Given, Matsie Tumelo Edward, Mule Muntsinye Tsibo, Mulokwani Ntombekaya Precious, Mutaung Mpo Ishmael, Mposula Mboyiswa Obri, Mkribelo Moses Lekheto, Mchingila Zwelake Godfrey, Rikotso Onate, Semamula Mampeng Cecilia, Simangane Jeffrey, Sebona Mpo Chabalala Dimakatso Claudia.
Chairperson of the College Council, it is an honor for me to present to you candidates for the National Diploma in Financial Management.
Ntipe N. Mahwalan.
Chairperson of the College Council, it is an honor for me to present to you candidates for the National Diploma in Hospitality and Catering Services.
Jas Bitumelo Mpo, Mukoni Tabang, Mulutsi Bresneham, John Ross, Musala Ntswaki Ingrid, Piri Duduzile Whitney, Ramunyaliwa Katleho Mudiehi.
Chairperson of the College Council, it is an honor for me to present to you candidates for the National Diploma in Human Resource Management.
Poison Neo Grace, Klubi Deliwe Patricia, Kubokulu Motsewa Selina, Kulumeni Lungiswa, Kumalo Sibongile Nokutula, Liema Makamuhelo Prudence, Ludidi Yanga, Mabitle William, Mahau Neileng, Mahloai Pulediso Florence, Majoro Mudiehi Maureen, Makenukana Zikisa Anderson, Mataba Nozipo, Muhwere Buitumelo Cassandra, Mukaradisi Tato, Mukwena Lebohang Susan, Mukwena Liemiso Octavia, Simanga Nomsa Kolisile, Mtimkulu Jabu Philip, Mtotoba Mhlomedi, Mhlabati Santa Maria, Nkosi Tulani Timothy, Padi Alucia Nuku, Ralatsi Nomsa Patience, Ralihloka Tebuho Jewel, Sikiti Itumeleng Rose.
Chairperson of the College Council, it is an honor for me to present to you candidates for the National Diploma in Marketing Management.
Shangoze Dipulelo, Kambule Tandeka Vinolia, Kobue Refilwe Sheila, Komani Lebohang Kifilwe, Letswenyo Edith Sintati, Makrebele Tulani, Maluka Gertrude Tembile, Mapike Setihaba, Masa Miriam, Masimini Nxumisa, Matosi Elijah Mukebe, Mlangeni Catherine, Mofokeng Boitumelo Ntama, Mojela Foneka Vangeli, Mokemani Tshegofatso Nonki, Mokwena Buti Abel, Mokwena Dineo Ivy, Mokwena Fumani Petunia, Molo Bongiwe Gloria, Musia Karabelo Florence, Musolotsani Tarollo, Musuwe Philip Pule, Mutlodisi Lebohang Pel, Simango Matsidiso Aleta, Ndou Ramuzuli, Nkadimeng Magoletsepe Jeanette, Ntswele Moratehi, Nzeke Jabulile, Phile Daniel Itumeleng, Kamakwani Kewagile Donald, Ralekgeta Anastasia Matselisa, Shivambu Mikateko Sharon, Tladi Joy Tabang, Sotetsi Matlodi Catherine. Chairperson of the College Council, it is an honor for me to present to you candidates in the National Diploma in Management Assistant. Bas Gladys Charmaine, Chesane Masabata Alice, Cindi Nelisiwe, Direro Katlego Susan, Dlamini Maki Dorothy, Dlamini Mario Siabulela, Dube Dineo Gladness, Hlakwani Matsidiso Maria, Tlapisi Tsileng Florence, Tungwana Excellent, Khanye Makatseng, Khathatso Palesa Belinda, Khoza Evelyn Mahlogonolo, Kole Lavi, Kunene Makazas Johanna, Kunene Makazas Johanna, Ledwaba Malesela Shelley, Lehodi Ntswaki Miriam, Letloela Neo, Lepelesani Mpho Susan, Lepoi Karabo Kidiboni, Lesita Tisetso, Lethuku Mokhasi Sara, Letsatsi Matsidiso Lena, Letswalo Lekhala Veronica, Mabaso Sebongile, Mafisa Lesemule Paballo, Mafisa Matshepo Angela, Mahwa Mamori Rosalina, Mahlalela Sikelo Samson, Mahlangu Lebu Princess, Mahlophe Mahlodi, Maila Musibudi Minki, Maile Abram Tabiso, Majwale Motsamai Michael, Makanya Zamakanya Letia, Makanya Zandile Sara, Makanye Pabatso Gloria, Makunga Nontlantla Hlekiswa, Makunga Nontlantla Hlekwasi, Malau Matlotlo Innocent, Mantoro Dineo Simfiria, Maseko Nomathemba Beauty, Mashele Hlavutelo Revelation, Mashihu Patricia Busisiwe, Masilela Perseverance Zanele, Masiu Diabeng, Matunye Jeanette Kinewe, Mbatu Fihlile Pamela, Mbele Tato Maphahlo, Mqoqo Nomasonto Gift, Dluli Stembiso Hamilton, Mengwai Lebohang Lorraine, Menyatso Alfred Mohau, Metsing Kekeletso Sara, Mkaka Amanda, Mkhuma Mantwa Michelle, Mtambo Irene Jabulisile, Moagi Thebe David, Mochadibani Molebogeng Aleta, Modise Musidi Joyce, Moeletsi Betha Motlalepule, Moepi Lerato Thelma, Mofokeng Kholomo, Mofokeng Mampho Cynthia, Mofokeng Matumelo Petro, Mofokeng Paulina Muiteri, Mofokeng Tsholofelo, Mokhatla Ntabeleng Ophelia, Mokgethi Theodosis Nontlantla, Mokheke Disebo Regina, Mokwena Leta Mpontsi, Mokwena Leta Mphomotseng, Molapisi Refilwe Shelley, Molebatsi Winnie Manto, Moloi Ana Deni, Monakaladi Thembisile Happiness, Monaring Muiponi Millicent, Morapedi Dipuo Caroline, Morosi Siziphiwe, Musuhli Ntabeleng, Motaung Lerato Catherine, Motaung Lerato, Motaung Mamoletsani Jeanette, Motetswe Phakiso Halimani, Motloung Patricia Siipati, Motselebane Muiteri, Motsitsi Jeanette Ntswaki, Motsitsi Patience Ntabiseng, Motswahaye Pauline, Mpemvu McDonald Bongani, Mphithi Nomsa Violet, Mphuthi Muiponi Patricia, Mphuthi Lerato Cynthia, Mpondo Nkosimphile Nomonde, Mponchane Anga, Mkhubata Nangomso, Mkhubata Nkumisa, Simanga Rosalina Mukele, Mthembu Jabulile Sheli, Mthembu Lerato, Mthukwa Adilen Ntabisei, Mthimkhulu Sibongile Cynthia, Muridili Maanda, Mvemve Fikile Purity, Mieni Piwe Kuhle Penelope, Ncume Palesa Flora, Ndai Lebohang Rosalind, Ndlela Nonhlanhla Nora, Ngwenya Nombuso, Nkosi Ayanda Patricia, Nombewu Sandisiwe, Nonyani Thoko Agnit, Nqukutu Nombulelo Selina, Ntoi Lerato Lucia, Ntsala Lebohang, Phahlane Portia Palace, Phapang Mojela Donald, Pitso Tsileng Daphne, Pulo Palesa, Inebe Sosi Lisbeth, Khatebe Lucia Tombi Fikile, Khatebe Minenhle Thandolwenkosi, Khatebe Mpho Ignitia, Ralekhetla Anastasia Matsadisa, Ramasia Mankoni Paulina, Ramokhadi Meshak Boiki, Ramutsidisi Masego Olga, Rasiveshele Shanduko, Rathebe Beauty Tsileng, Sefatsa Selwane Patricia, Sekgwelwa Kilebogile Lizi, Sekonge Palesa, Senkosi Ntombizodwa Portia, Shabalala Patricia Lindiwe, Shabalala Sipokas, Shiburi Shukombiso Admiral, Sibia Hanis, Sitole Thuli Judith, Tapiani Palesa Prudence, Thebani Jasmina Amanda, Thitele Tsileng, Thiba Ruzani, Tladi Malibusa Veronica, Chabalala Dalicebo, Tswele Reneilwe Yolanda, Tswari Princess Sipati, Tsotetsi Christina Malifu, Fanroy Maria Disebo, Wiso Vuyo Victor, Zungu Sizani Sindiswa.
Chairperson of the College Council, it is an honor for me to present to you candidates for the National Diploma in Public Management.
Dlamini Portia, Gampu Sitati Priscilla, Jacobs Tabang Howard, Kharetsi Itumeleng Katleho, Khota Zanele Primrose, Kobokwani Itumeleng David, Kubeka Monica Tenjiwe, Kunene Zwelake Menzi, Mabote Mamabuse Ana, Majola Florence Tulile, Mashihu Matsidiso Samantha, Mati Tembelihle Tembekile, Mazibuko Nokutula Gladys, Mdluli Amanda Utricia, Mtungwa Musawenkosi, Mochaka Palesa, Mokherenyana Karabo, Molakeng Ntsamayeng Letia, Molefe Mosela Miriam, Munehi Tebo Carol, Moteka Ntabiseng Lulama, Motsweneng Tabiso Kenny, Mphuthi Angel Sindisiwe, Msipha Lerato Charity, Msomi Kendi Nokupiwa, Mzizi Thandeka Precious, Netononda Lutendo Patrick, Nkuta Violet Velemina, Picha Laki, Sishweni Rasetlapa Moses, Chabalala Lebohang, Chatani Feziwe, Tsotetsi Motlalepule Kuos, Whitney Nomandla.
Chairperson of the College Council, it is an honor for me to present to you candidates for the National Diploma in Tourism Management.
Khotle Buingotlo Gail, Malebane Carol Linteng, Mela Mafadi Meili, Motswane Palesa Claire.
It is indeed an honor to me to present to the chairperson of the College Council the top 10 students. These are the top 10 best performing students across all 4 campuses of the college. Before I read out the names from the bottom to the top achiever, I would like to indicate that the 10 top students would be receiving the trophy from the college. they would also be receiving a full photo package from Mado for free. Mado Photos, thank you so much, Mado Photos. In addition to that, they will also be receiving 1,000 Rand each from Absa Bank as one of our sponsors. Absa Bank, thank you so much. Additionally, they will also be receiving from Diepenaar and Reineke. There is no representative today, but Diepenaar and Reineke will be offering them a full regalia in accordance with the colors of their programs, and that will be free from the hiring fee. So it is returnable, but they can make use of it and return it without them being charged for it. So it is really, really appreciated that our sponsors came on board. The top best performing students from the bottom are presented as follows. From Heidelberg campus, in the Public Management Department, the student received 85.25% on average. This is the student that would be doing 4 subjects through the time, and in average, they are on 85.25%. And the student is Mfupi Tandiwe Pamela. Mfupi Tandiwe Pamela. That can be received in absentia. Our next top performing student, also from Heidelberg, in the Public Management Department, at 85.50%, is Dlamini Perseverance Nompumelelo. From Vanderbilt Park campus, in the Marketing Management Department, at 85.75% on average, the student is Mokwena Mudiehi Lucia. Our next student is also from Heidelberg campus in Public Management. The student has performed at 86.25%, and the name is Mofugeng Teboho David. From Vanderbilt Park campus in the Business Management Department, at 87.25 on average, 87.25%, it's Manoto Ndombenhle. From Vanderbilt Park campus again, in the Tourism Department, at 87.50%. We've got Nale Itumeleng. She's probably not here. We'll receive that in absentia. We're moving on to the next one, a student at the marketing department, also in Vanderbilt Park, at 90.00% on average. The student is Mabaso Refumelo. We move into the last three students. This one is from Sebokeng campus in the business management department. The student received 90.50% on average, and the name is Valencia Itumeleng. The top two performing students, Human Resource Department Management from Sebokeng campus at 94.25%, Mzini Vuyani. And right at the top of the list, in the Human Resource Department, at Sebokeng campus, at 96.25%, it is a lady. The surname is Mofokeng Lerato Maria. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, you are requested to rise as we are about to conclude the session. Thank you.
Usisingeleli Afrika, maluphakaniso uphondo lwayo, izwa imithandazo yethu. Nkosi, sikelela thina nosapho lwayo, bulela buluka sitshaba sa Yesu. Usibuluke, usibuluke, sitshaba Yesu, sitshaba South Africa, South Africa. stand. Let us live and strive for freedom in South Africa.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, by virtue of the powers vested in me by Chairperson of Council, I now dissolve this congregation of Sedibeng TVET College. Thank you.
Santa Maria.